So Eroxon is a topical over-the-counter erection gel that is used for people who suffer from erectile dysfunction. Now the gel works by applying it to the head of the penis and is expected to achieve erection within 10 minutes. Quite convenient for a lot of people who don't need to go on medication or who do not want to use medication such as tablets for whatever reason. And also in terms of convenience, because you don't have to wait 30 minutes or 1 hour to achieve an erection, this can be done within 10 minutes. However, there are mixed reviews about the gel. A lot of people are saying the gel doesn't work, while others are saying that it worked brilliantly for them. So I'd advise you to do your research before considering buying the gel. Make sure that you're well informed about the pros and the cons, as well as looking at other reviews and users' experiences of Eroxon gel. Now, as I said, Eroxon is not a prescription drug, so you can easily buy this over the counter. However, it is not readily available in some countries because it has not been approved in several countries. So what we're going to look at is where can you buy Eroxon from? So if you live in America, you can buy Eroxon from Amazon.com website. However, when I went to Amazon.com, there is no availability for Eroxon. So I did another search for Eroxon. Nothing comes up. I've got all these different gels: erecting stimulating gel, male revitalize, male enlargement, erection cream. It looks like Eroxon is not available in America. So what I decided to do was look at an independent website such as Canfarm. So Canfarm, Eroxon Stimgel, select a size. So it comes in different sizes. As you remember, Eroxon comes in 4 single dose tubes as a pack. So this tells me $84.99. That is very pricey. And then you can get it in 5 packs, $330. If it works for you, then go for it. I looked at another alternative website called Eroxon. As you can see, Eroxon Stimgel is a topical gel that is clinically proven to treat erectile dysfunction. Again, as I said, 4 single-use tubes, it's cheaper at $50. So don't think there's any affiliation between the two pharmacies. This looks like a Jewish website for those who might have issues, but it is cheaper. $50. It only has 1 review. What does that review say? Let's see. It did not work for me. So you cannot really give much information just by 1 review, but looking at the American site, Amazon does not stock Eroxon. You can get it in independent websites such as Canfarm and Eroxon. I decided to have a look at the UK website. So I looked at Amazon website in the UK. Eroxon Stimgel is very, very cheap, £16.58. Last time I checked the price back in May, it was £20. So that's almost a £4 difference. I wonder why the price has gone down. Amazon Prime Day deals are over. So that's a discount of minus 34% from the original price. Again, a quick look at the reviews. Does not work for everyone. Initial application, no chill afterwards, no warm up as advertised by the maker. This stuff approved in the UK, but I have to say there are better things around like sildenafil or tadalafil. So these are tablets, so it all depends on if you would rather have a gel than use tablets. Some people are not able to use tablets because it might interact with other tablets that they're taking. So another review says here, unusual feeling to begin with, but work fine. Okay, but we're just looking at where you can buy the gel as opposed to the reviews. So £16.58 on Amazon.uk website. There are other sites that stock Eroxon in the UK, such as Boots, quite expensive, £24.99. Eroxon Erectile Dysfunction Gel 4-pack, that is more expensive than Amazon. So if you want a better deal, you know where to go to. I looked at another website, which is Superdrug. Superdrug, again, similar price to Boots, £24.99. Boots and Superdrug are 2 chemists that do tend to have similar prices for the items. They're in competition with each other. If one drops the price down, the other drops the price down as well. So I'm not surprised at the price. Again, just 5 reviews, which is 1.8 out of 5, not great. So we've looked at America and the UK. What about other countries? It was very difficult to find Eroxon readily available in other countries, so I went to the main Eroxon site, which gives you the availability to buy Eroxon. So here it says, where can I buy Eroxon? Click to buy Eroxon in Europe. It says here, Eroxon is also available in all European markets online. It will be available in further European countries in due course. Click here to buy Eroxon. If I scroll down quickly, it just gives you some information about Eroxon. But what we want to look at is where to buy. Oh, great. So I have to type places. Or what if I click on Amsterdam? Does that make a difference? No. No, that's not working. So I have to type a place. So let's actually click on Amsterdam. Amsterdam. Let's see what comes up. Nope, nothing. All right, let's do the whole country. Netherlands. This is Europe we're referring to. Netherlands, nothing there. Give me a country, guys. Let's do Germany. No, nothing in Germany. Let's do Switzerland. Switzerland. Not looking great, is it? Okay, fine. Okay, let's do a non-European country. Let's do Canada. No, nothing. Canada. All right, let's go back to the obvious. Let's do the United Kingdom, the UK. Look at that. Hooray. A long list of items. Boots, 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 boots. So Boots obviously has a partnership with the makers of Eroxon, because look at that, Boots. So it is readily available in the UK. I typed in several European countries, but I could not really find Eroxon. But it is in the UK, so it could be a question of if I live in the Netherlands or Sweden or Germany or France, I might have to get Eroxon shipped over from the UK. That's if it works. I looked at India. I couldn't really find anything available in India. I did a search. I think this is mostly for European countries, if I'm correct. So sometimes the easiest thing to do in this case is simply Dr. Google. So I typed in buy Eroxon in India. The first thing that came up was Desert Cart India. So I clicked on Desert Cart India, just give it a minute, it's loading. This is all live, by the way. So there you go, Eroxon. Oh, look at that, it's quite expensive. Stimulating gel for men, so let's click on that. So it comes under the name Eroxonin. 11,139 rupees. I don't know if that's cheap or expensive. So I typed in Eroxon for India, buy Eroxon products, and there you go. So that's Eroxon there. So Eroxon, oh look at that, the price has gone down. The price has gone down for Eroxon. It used to be 4,744 rupees. It's now 2,819 rupees, a discount of 40%. What is going on here, guys? Why is Eroxon getting cheaper and cheaper? So I don't know how cheap that is in India economy, but you can actually buy Eroxon from Desert Cat India. However, it looks like it might have to be shipped from the UK. It tells you here price includes import duties and taxes, free shipping available. So there might be stores in India that stock Eroxon, but I could not really find any. So it could be that you might have to ship Eroxon from the UK. So because Eroxon is obviously manufactured in the UK, which is why it's readily available in the UK. So these are the places where you can buy Eroxon from. As I said, make sure you do your research before considering whether Eroxon is for you. You can decide to buy, a trial, because a pack of Eroxon comes in 4 single-use tubes. You can decide to buy a trial and see if it works. If it works, then you can continue buying further packs. It could be buying a pack of 5, might be more cheaper than buying 1 pack at a time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please take good care of yourself.